Hi. Thanks for joining us at Hillman Reid. Let's get started with a quick review of our shipping settings and how you can make changes to your store to customize your own shipping rates. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, you'll need to go to Settings. From here you'll find the Shipping and Delivery page. Click on the Hillman Reid shipping profile. All of our standard shipping rates are listed when you install the app. When you activate products from our app to your store, they will appear in our shipping profile. You can add or remove products by clicking on Manage Products. If you don't have international markets set up, you can click through this link. Now let's add product pricing for that market. All you need to do is select all the products you want added. Now click to update the market settings. Depending on how many products you're adding, it may take a while for Shopify to complete this task for you. Fantastic! Those settings are ready. Let's return to the main markets menu and edit the international countries list. We're just going to close these open tabs so that we can change the list quickly. You'll notice that the USA is the primary market and Canada is still activated. I'm going to remove all the other countries that we're not shipping to. We need to save those changes, but first we'll rename these settings to Canada for future reference. Great. That's been saved, so next we'll activate the market so that the shipping settings work properly. Those changes are complete, so now we'll move back to the shipping profile to check that the zone is functioning and that we did everything correctly. Perfect, both zones are active. I'm going to show you how to create your own custom shipping profile. I've already added some sample rates based on order value. You can also add other zones to include different countries. Now let's return back to the Hillman Reid profile and remove the products listed there so that your custom profile captures the products. You'll need to keep scrolling to the bottom to make sure all the products are displayed for removal. Once our products are removed from the HR profile, our app will default to regular postal shipping and won't allow expedited. This is because there's no way for us to know what shipping methods you've created in other profiles. Here we are at the bottom of the list. Let's select all products to remove everything from this profile. I'm skimming through just to check over everything and verify the total number of products being removed. Awesome. Let's click Done and now we see no products listed. We'll go back to your custom shipping and find all the products here now. That's it. You now have an ability to create custom shipping profiles for anything you sell. Contact us with questions. We're glad to help and happy to have you with us.